Hello, Dr. Harris here. It's Fun Fact Friday. Today's topic is chemicals in our environment. There are so many chemicals in our environment that we have to monitor or actually detox our bodies from time to time, because when these chemicals get inside of us, most of them are stored in fat. The body surrounds it with fat cells to insulate it so it's not harming the body. And so then we accumulate these toxins, and that's most toxins. Some toxins, tend to get into the brain or joints or have an affinity for different kind of tissue. But we have products here that are very good at detoxing the body. The one that we're using now is called Ultra Cleanse. And when I was first in practice 41 years ago, it was recommended to detox once a year. Well, I've seen that go to almost once a month. It's advised to do that. So periodic detoxing the body is a very healthy measure to take. It's one reason that some people can't lose weight, because they're very toxic. The body won't release the fat cells that are insulating the toxins. So you'd have to detox first and to be able to lose weight. That's part of our weight loss program as well. So also, I think a good measure, what I personally try to do and what I recommend, is replace things that have chemicals in them for natural things, such as toothpaste. I use a toothpaste that is essential oils. Underarm deodorant, using a crystal, a natural crystal that Whole Food store carries, and wet the underarm, put the crystal on there, and it's very effective anti-perspirant and anti-odor, at least for most people. And just different ways like that to replace chemicals with natural things. So try to find as many ways of replacing chemicals for natural products. You'll be much healthier. Thank you for watching.